you doing today? My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to get this tilt limiter right here unstuck. So what we have here is an Aeron chair with our tilt limiter right here, getting stuck, caught up on our white stopper right here. So if you want to zoom out, as you can see, I'm pressing the lever up and down, and it's very similar to what's happening in your video. So what we need to do is get this tilt limiter right here off of the white stopper. It's getting hung up on here one way or another. So the first method we have for that is to locate the 1/4 inch set screw located on the opposite side of the chair. So I've got the seat removed and I've got the clamshell removed, and it's going to be right here. Right here. Okay, now we're going to actually loosen that set screw with the lever down, and we'll see the tilt limiter pop off. So we'll go ahead and zoom back off a little bit, and we're going to let Jake adjust the set screw with a 1/4 inch Allen key.
Just get that secured in there.
And I've got the lever down.
Start loosening it slowly.
And let's show the video up here, Ryan. I want to show the tilt limiter as well.
There
So
it
as
is.
you can see, he just maybe a half turn or a full turn or so, and that tilt limiter came off that white stopper. I'm able to use the back lever freely. So what we had here was it getting caught up in this white stopper again. So as you can see, it's now all back to normal. We can go ahead and put our clamshell back on, put our seat back on, and we're all good to go. Another good tip I have is to kind of take a metal brush and like a screwdriver here, and just kind of give a little clean off of that white stopper. Or you can use a screwdriver, just kind of scrape some debris off of that. If there's any mushroomed spots on the white stopper, you can go ahead and scrape those off, but it should be nice and smooth to the touch, and it should be operated just like that. The last tip I have would be to use your screwdriver to pop off this C-clip. Just like that. And then if that tilt limiter is stuck, you can push it down with some force. Take it right off. Clean that off. Clean that off. Go ahead and replace it. Go ahead and put your C-clip right on there. Just gonna back up a little bit. So go ahead and put my pair of pliers on it. Alright, so here if the tilt limiter is stuck, you can just go ahead and put your screwdriver in this groove. Go ahead and give it a little push. And it kind of helps free it as well. Just kind of set that in there. Okay, go ahead and retest it. So that's what we're looking for, is to remove that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you so much.